Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is packed with tons of cleaning motivation. I will be cleaning up after the floor and I'll be having to sanitize and disinfect the entire house, including all the girls' toys. So definitely stick around for that. Y'all can prop me up on your TV, your phone, your iPad, whatever, and let's get this cleaning going. And if you are new here, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell, leave a like and a comment. I love to get to know more about you guys. And if you are new here, my name is Terisha, a stay-at-home wife and mom of two beautiful girls. On this channel you can expect to find tons of homemaking motivation, so definitely stick around for that. And let me know, how was your week? How was your weekend? How is your week going? I hope you all are having an amazing week. I hope your weekend was extraordinary, and just be blessed. And no matter what circumstances you're going through, don't let anything or anyone steal your joy. Just know that the Lord guides you, the Lord loves you. I love y'all. And guys, I'll also be doing a giveaway in today's video, so definitely watch the entire video to find out how you can enter for a chance to win. I'll be giving away either a Visa or Amazon gift card.
Drink juice from the sweetest berries and dance the night away. Count stars in the sky while the clouds roll by. Smoke flowers just to elevate. Hold hands when we need protection. Break bones but we always plan them. Every heartbreak is a lesson. Let it go, don't be afraid. Suitcases up and fly across the seas. Not a thing belongs to us. Even the air we breathe. Deep talks in the car while the world is sleeping. Bare feet on the ground while my mind stays dreaming.
Yeah, people, the mama, if she's not shifting the tripod, then she's doing things in front of the camera like I just can. So guys, I know by me fast forwarding the video it makes me look crazy dancing, but I'm telling you, I was listening to Zach Williams. If you don't know who he is, he's a gospel singer, and he has some amazing songs. I mean, his worship songs will get you dancing like you're in the clubs, but I love it. I mean, if people say worship songs are boring, y'all are crazy, because these worship songs really be getting you in your feelings, like for real. But I love it, and it's the best. And the best part about it is seeing your little babies sing and worship with you.
Hold me tight in the stormy night and I wanna see the rainbow. Spring flower petals, do you see my halo? I've been to my ocean sea. You holding me in this big, deep blue sea. Breathing your ecstasy. Open the pearl, come swim with me. Come in my room. Holding me in this big, deep blue sea. Breathing your ecstasy. Open the pearl, come swim with me. Come in my room. Hold me like you're never gonna let me go, 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 go. Aim your arrow with precision. Go on and pierce my soul, my soul, my soul. Cold springs as we lay on a gold reef. In jasmine scents, I'm where it says. The sea foam, it feels like milk. I love this. Cover my body in crystals and diamonds and lace. Kiss every inch of my body and never my face. Springtime is my favorite time of year. You and I like to lay low, sail out on a sailboat. Hold me tight in the stormy night and I wanna see the rainbow. Spring flower, my petals, do you see my halo? Dive into my ocean sea. You holding me in this big, deep blue sea. Breathing your ecstasy. Open a pearl, come swim with me. Come in my room. You holding me in this big, deep blue sea. Breathing your ecstasy. Open a pearl, come swim with me. Come in my room. Hold me like you're never gonna let me go, 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 go. Aim your arrow with precision. Go on and pierce my soul, my soul, my soul. Night and I wanna see the rainbow. Spring flower, my petals, do you see my halo? Dive into my ocean sea. You holding me in this big, deep blue sea. Breathing your ecstasy. Open a pearl, come swim with me. Come in my room. You holding me in this big, deep blue sea. Breathing your ecstasy. Open a pearl, come swim with me. Come in my room. Hold me like you're never gonna let me go, 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 go. Aim your arrow with precision. Go on and pierce my soul, my soul, my soul. I feel the rain coming down right now. Finally feel alive and I don't know how. If I'm honest, I don't care to figure it out. Cause I'm on one every time I feel that power. And yeah, so what? I made some bad mistakes, but I've been the same ever since you called my name. And I feel the change all the way down in my soul. Now when I feel weak, you say I'm okay. You saw me trust in diamonds. What we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless. I done had it all, but ain't nothing else like this, like this. Ain't nothing else like this. All my money made me wanna give it to you. Raise my hands, boy, you got that hallelujah. Search until you find it. Say it's in the timing, timing. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous.
Yeah.
I just call it righteous, righteous.
I was alone, stuck in my ways. You came along just like a saint. I was on lockdown.
but the whole time you had the keys. I don't know what it is you're doing to me. I was lost before, but baby, now I see. Cause there you are looking at me, and I'm looking at you. Looking at us and I'm thinking that we got something good, and I know that there's nothing that's coming between us, no nothing at all. And they can call it love and whatever they want, but I call it right, I call it right.
You're so interesting diamonds, what we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless. I done had it all, but ain't nothing else like this, like this. Ain't nothing else like this. All my money made me wanna give it to you. Raise my hands, boy, you got that hallelujah. Search until you find it. I say it's in the timing. I just call it righteous, righteous. 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 I just call it righteous, righteous.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. All the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So nothing compares to this. Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Never-ending vacation. I've been feeling selfish, I never want you to share it. We'd be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. How come, baby, kiss my lips? Nothing ever will compare to this. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. What you think of it, baby? Oh. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way.
So guys, in order to enter this giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever I post this video. Leave a comment down below and like this video. You have to leave a comment down below and let me know what is one thing you can never live without and why, and drop a blue heart so I know that you want to be entered into the giveaway. Now so guys, the giveaway will be open for 2 weeks, and that's just because a lot of people don't watch my videos until a couple days after I post it. So I'm giving everybody enough chance or enough time to enter into the giveaway. So it's going to be open for 2 weeks from today. So the giveaway will end on June 14th, and I will announce the winner on that day. Now that person I'll give that person 48 hours to respond. They can either DM me or respond or comment on a video or something, and or send me an email, something, but you have 48 hours to respond, and then I'll figure out if you want me to send you the card through your email or send you the card by mail. Yeah, but it'll be a $25 Visa or Amazon gift card. If the winner does not respond within 48 hours, I'm going to have to choose someone else. Now, guys, I know this is a small token, but this is just to show you guys how much I appreciate y'all. And I want to thank y'all for rocking with me. And I'm hoping to do more giveaways in the future, like a ton more, especially for Christmas. Hopefully I can do a bigger giveaway by Christmas. And I'm hoping to throw in some more giveaways as the coming months come up. So guys, just thank y'all for all your support. I appreciate every comment, like, subscription, whatever engagement it is. I appreciate, because every engagement does mean a lot. Have a blessed day, a blessed week, and I love y'all.